My warm greetings to one and all. I'm Rishik, and today I'm going to take you all through my second project, which has been the Random Colors project, in which I've not only worked with my MBOT but brought it into a friendly and cohesive environment along with the MBlock software. The aim I wanted to achieve via this project was to have my MBOT into displaying random colors using a single sprite on my MBlock interface. So in my approach, the input I used was a button sprite on my interface that when I click it, it sends a message to my MBOT asking it to switch on its RGB lights, which is going to be the output, with random colors. And the main ideology behind the code was to use the random operator to make sure that the MBOT selects some random RGB values for the color display. So in the previous assignment, we had understood that RGB values have a number for red, a number for blue, and a number for green from the range of 0 to 255 that is going to instruct it on which color it is supposed to display. And on the same lines, I'm going to use a random operator to determine random RGB values for the color display. The image clip right here is of my MBlock interface, wherein I have two text boxes prompting me to click on the button to change the LED color, and a simple button right in the center that I'm going to just click on so that it changes the color with random values. And this right here is an image of the code that I've used for my next button. So it's quite a very simple code. When the sprite clicked, broadcast next. Simple as that. I just click on the button and it broadcasts a message named next. That's it. And what happens after it broadcasts the next message? It ends up giving a signal to the MBOT, for which I have programmed saying when I receive the next message. So all the set of instructions that is given over here is going to prompt up only once it receives the next message. And when does it get that next message? When I click on the button sprite. So here we have understood how there is a link between the button and my MBOT device that is connected. I click on the button, it broadcasts a message, and my MBOT receives a message to do a set of outputs. And as we discussed before, what we want our MBOT to do is display a set of random colors. Random. So I just thought, why just one random color? Why not have 10 random colors each time a button is clicked? And here is the code for that. I have put the repeat 10 block over there so that it repeats the set of instructions 10 times, having 10 random colors put up. And then how am I using the operator along with the LED on my MBOT? It's quite simple. So to switch on the LEDs with a particular color using RGB values, we have a block in the source section which says turn on all the lights with color red, and we put the value for the red, and green, and we put the value for green, and blue, and we put the value for blue. And there we have it, a complete RGB value. We've also understood that the RGB values can only have numbers from 0 to 255. So in order to display random colors in this case, the value for red is put as pick random 0 to 255, which means that the value for red is going to be a random number between 0 and 255, and the same block for green and the same block for blue, which means it's going to pick a random red value, a random green value, and a random blue value, which makes us a random RGB value. And with a random RGB value, our RGB lights on the MBOT are going to display a random color. That's it. And now that we've understood the code, let's just look at how this is going to be implemented and working in reality. So it's the same role. I am going to first click on the button, and then the RGB color display should change randomly until it covers 10 of them. And here it is. It just happened. Let me do it one more time, and I click on it, and look at that. 10 different, 10 random, 10 unpredicted colors up on our RGB lights every single time I click the button. So with this, we have achieved our aim of having our MBOT display different random values, different colors, with just one click, with just one button. And by saying this, we come to the end of my presentation and the end of this project. Hope all of you liked it. Thank you.